Hello everyone, my name is Ganesh and I am a second year computer science student at Vishnu Institute of Technology, Bhimavaram. In today's video, I am super excited to take you on a behind the scenes tour of my personal portfolio website. I will be walking you through the code, explaining how I built it, and sharing some tips and tricks I learned along the way. Before diving into the code, let me show you the preview of my personal portfolio website. For that, I'm just opening my Glitch website. Navigating into the dashboard section where I can access my projects. Okay, this is the project of my portfolio website. Let me show you the preview. So this is the web page what I have created, where you can see the welcome text and intro about myself, education, my skills, and some of my projects and ways to contact me. Let me show you the code what I have written to get this output. Coming to the HTML, I created nav section in which my name and few of the navigation elements were present. Coming to the main section, I just divided this main section into two divs, in which one section contains this particular text and another section contains these three decoration items. Coming to the introduction about myself, I created a big div in which there will be another div, and in that the text will be wrapped. In order to get this particular gradient color for my entire text, I used linear gradient for the inner div. Coming to the education, I just used a table with the table headings as courses, name of the institutions, places, years, and percentage. Coming to the skills, I have created buttons with all the skills what I had and copied the code thrice to get this particular beautiful animation. And coming to the projects, I have created three cards in which there will be an image, the heading of the project, and the languages what I have used for the particular project. And at last, the contact section. Coming to the contact section, I have created one h1 tag for the heading and few anchor tags to navigate me to the particular website, and then form section in which input and submit button will be there. At last, I have created footer with the copyright text. Let me show you the style sheet what I have written for this particular website. I have created an external style sheet and linked it to the HTML using link tag. Let me open the style.css. Here I have written all the code from my website. Coming to the universal selector, I just gave the margin 0 pixels, padding 0 pixels, box sizing as border box, and font family as inter sans serif. I forgot to tell you that I have imported some fonts from the Google Fonts and I used them in my website. Coming to the root folder, I have created six variables such as linear gradient 1, linear gradient 2, and primary text color, secondary text color, primary background color, and secondary background color, which I have used in the below code. Coming to the body, I have used background color as primary background color, and I have hidden the overflow in the X direction, and I have kept the font size as 16 pixels. Coming to the navbar, I just gave the height as 100 pixels and width as 100 view width. I just gave the padding 0 pixels on top and bottom. Left and right, I gave 120 pixels. I gave the background color as black shade and backdrop filter blur 10 pixels to get the glass texture effect. I just gave the display flex and align item center, which aligns the items in the y direction. Justify content space between, position sticky so that it will be at the top of the page, and top 0 pixels and z index 10. I have created two divs inside the navbar, in which one div contains the heading and the another div contains these navigation elements. Coming to the main section, as I already said, I have divided the main section into two divs. I just give the width of each div 47% of 100 view width. I gave the display as flex and justify content as center. Coming to the main left, which is this particular text, and this is the main right, in which three decoration items were present. Coming to the about section, I just give the height as 500 pixels with 100 viewer, display flex, align item center, and justify content center. I already said that I have created another div inside the about section to get that gradient texture. So this is the code for particular div. And coming to the text, I just give the font size as 28 pixels, text align center, and line height 40 pixels. Coming to the education, I have created a table with 4 rows and 5 columns with the table headings as course, name of the institute, place, year, and person. In order to get that the gradient I have created a backside the table. I just give the padding as 3 pixels so that it will look like an border. Yes, here you can see this is the table div what I have created behind the table. The height is auto and the width is fit content so that it will contain the width of the table. I just give the background color as gradient color and padding is 3 pixels. So this padding looks like a border of that particular table. And coming to the table, I just give the width as auto, height as auto, background color, secondary background color, border radius 10 pixels and color weight. In order to get the borders between each and every element, I targeted TR, TH and TD and gave the borders bottom and right as 3 pixels, solid, and some gray color. Coming to the skill section, as I previously said that I have created the code thrice in order to get this particular animation. So the skills animator will move all the way from the right to left in x direction infinitely, in which the buttons were present. Here you can see the code what I have written. This is the animation what I have created for this particular animation. It will translate from the x0 to all the way to minus 100%. Coming to the project section, I have created 3 cards as I previously said. So the height of each card is 400 pixels, width is 250 pixels, and padding is 20 pixels. I just divided this card into 3 segments. One is image, another one is heading, and another section is the languages what I have used for that particular project. Here you can see the code what I have written. Coming to the contact section, I created an H2 tag and a few anchor tags which will navigate me to the particular website or app. At last, I have created a form. Here you can see I just targeted the form tag and gave the display flex in order to get that this input and submit side by side and height as 50 pixels. And at last, coming to the photo section, I just give the text and the padding as 20 pixels, background color black, color C3, 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 which is the white shade, and text align center. So this is how I created my personal portfolio website. If you are interested, I will give the code in the description. Please check that out. Thank you. Thanks for watching.